Hi, I'm Arthur Johansson, or AJ for short, and I love to read and I love to teach people how to read. And I am using this series written by the amazing author Julia Donaldson right here. And this is her Songbirds Phonics series. This is set 1 or level 1, and this is book 4 in this set. This goes over some simple phonic sounds. We have short vowels, A for ah, O is ah, I is I, and U is And then we have some simple consonants, so just one letter consonant sounds. So let's get right into it. Oh, look at this. They're in the dirt with a shovel, and he's got a piece of paper here with a little X on it. That must be a treasure map. He's going to find some treasure. He's going to dig in the dirt and find some treasure. Maybe, what is it? Gold, gems, diamonds. Let's see. What could it be? And the dog looks super happy too. Dogs love digging in the dirt, finding things. Okay, we'll read it. D, I, G, D, I, G, dig. D, I, G, D, ig, dig, d, ig, dig, dig. Dig, 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 with a big exclamation point to make it stronger. Dig, 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 to emphasize. Next page. D, ig, d, ig, dig, d, ig, d, ig, dig, d, ig, d, ig, dig. Dig, dig, dig. T, I, m, t, I, m, Tim. And, and. We'll see this word a lot, so you want to get used to it, and eventually you'll just remember it, and you can see it and say it. And, h, is, his, d, og, dog, dog, h, ad, had, f, n, fun, fun. Tim and his dog had fun. They're having a great time digging in the dirt, looking for some buried treasure. I really wonder what they find. Look, even the bird's out singing. He's got little singing notes up there. Next page. Whoa. Oh, they're finding stuff. Let's see. Let's read this page. D, I, G, dig. D, I, G, dig. D, I, G, dig. Dig, dig, dig. T, I, m, Tim. This is Tim. D, g, d, ug, Doug. Up, up. A, lot. Oh, this word right here is tricky. We just say this word. We don't need to sound it out because it's not that kind of word that we can sound out. So we just see these letters and we say of. O-F sounds of. Mud. Tim dug up a lot of mud. Yeah, that is a lot of mud. A lot of brown mud. Maybe it's a little bit wet from the water, because there's a water faucet right there. And then dig, 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 is, his, dog, dog, dug, dug, up, up, a, r, ag, r, ag, rag. Dig, 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 his dog dug up a rag. Oh, yuck. A dirty old rag buried in the mud. But the dog pulled it out. Maybe we need to get that out of the way so we can find the real treasure. I wonder what it is. Next page. See this? Oh, now we're finding some cool stuff. Look, he found a toy. It's like a toy bus. It's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. You can clean it. There's some other stuff too. Let's see. Dig, 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 tim, tim, dug, 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 up, a, bus. Tim dug up a bus. Dig, dig, dig. There he goes. And how about the dog? Still going. See this word? We see it a lot. So we're getting really used to it now. Same letters and sounds. Dig, 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 dig. A, l, id, lid, lid, a lid. Ah, I found a lid. A lid goes on top of something. It covers some box or container or something. So let's see. Look, now there's a cat. Ooh, what's the cat doing? Cat's going after the bird. The cat looks super happy too. Almost as happy as the dog who's digging in the mud. Next page. They keep finding stuff in the mud. Let's see. Dig, 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 dig. A, big, big, big. Tin, tin. Dig, dig, dig. A big tin. It's a tin. What's inside the tin? That's where the treasure is, right? Ooh. See? This is what he's thinking. Look, Tim has this little bubble over his head that makes us think, what is inside the tin? Is it lots of gold, a gold crown with jewels? Ooh, that would be great, wouldn't it? What would you do if you found that treasure in your backyard? Wow, that would be exciting. What does the dog think? Oh, look, the dog. He's got a little bubble over his head. He's thinking, maybe it's a bone I can chew on. That's what's a treasure for the dog. So he pulls it out. Let's read. It says, and, in, it, and in it, and in it. What is it? Let's see. What's inside the tin? Oh. Whoa. What are those? Ooh. This is not the treasure they were expecting. Lots of, there's that of word again. We just say it. We don't need to sound this one out. Of, bugs. Lots of bugs. Yuck, lots of bugs. Ooh, that's not a treasure. Maybe some kids like playing with bugs, but that's a lot of bugs. And the dog is not excited about that at all. Oh well, maybe they keep digging and find more treasure on another day. That's the end.